Welcome back to another video here at Always Doing Something. Today me and my brother got our little 24 scales. We're gonna climb up this hill right here. I don't know, the camera probably doesn't look like justice, but it's pretty steep, so we're gonna crawl it and I'll show you what it's like on the way up. First gear, buddy. Don't know how you're gonna get up. Alright, we ain't making that one. Those are cool little marks we made. These cute little burnout marks. Always doing something. Out here off Lost Coaches. Up here up on this hill. Out here hiking around with my brother. Doing some RCing. Messing around, getting out of the house. Pretty steep for out here. These little 24s are struggling. But we're not going to give up. We're going to keep going up, I think. Or down, I'm not sure. We need to find somewhere cool to go. Either way, though, thanks for watching. If you're liking this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And hope you're having a wonderful day. And we'll see you guys at the next spot. Mark, set, go.
You get off one. You don't go very fast off the gun when you fucking hammer down on one.
Oh. Whoa, that was cool. Now it's time to go down. Now we can get how steep it really is, maybe. Yeah, it would fall. Check my phone. I can't fall on that, so I got a camera in that puppy. Dude, we did good. We only started crashing though right there. Look down at the camera screen. It's like, you see me flip that rock over? Freaking RC battery left on my GoPro battery. That's gotta say something. So guys, you ever seen one of these? Gonna be some ant lover out there that's gonna get mad at us. Oh, that's where it was today. The little RC car in. Look, you're here. Me and Ricky walked up to like here. Or here. We went up there to the other side of that. Wasn't planning on hiking today. Just the way it goes. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.